Hey Cerule fam, as we all know, fall is here, and what better way to embody the season than a fun, festive Frappuccino? Nothing says fall more than a pumpkin. What we're going to be making today is a Pumpkin Frappucino with our secret ingredient, the StemEnhance ULTRA. All you're going to need for this festive, fun Frappuccino is some pumpkin puree, a coffee blend, your favorite of course, a milk or milk substitute of any kind, and your favorite sweetener. And don't forget the best ingredient of all, the StemEnhance ULTRA. So we're gonna start with 1 big cup of ice, half cup of the pumpkin puree. We're gonna do our 3 ounces of your favorite coffee blend, 2 ounces of the sweetener of your choice. Today we're gonna be using honey. And then we're gonna blend that up. Just a half cup of milk. Then we can't forget the most important ingredient, the StemEnhance ULTRA. I'll just top it off with some whipped cream. And there you have it, your fun, festive pumpkin frappuccino with the StemEnhance ULTRA. Cheers and happy holidays.